And I have Butcherbox today. It is a meat subscription box. It's a little different from what I usually do, but I just wanted to show you what I got. This is a meat subscription, but you can get it as needed. And you can change the date how often you need to be convenient to you. I just stabbed my table. This is what it looks like when you first open it. You pull this top off. It's an insulated box. It was a little banged up, it looks like. But looks like the dry ice melted, but everything is still frozen. Now this was a much larger order than I usually get. I usually get the standard choice box, which is like $149. But this time I got like, I think it was $270 plus probably a couple add-ons. But I thought I'd show you what I got. So you can make this cost according to your needs and what you can do. But so here are 4 filet mignons. Wait, no, I didn't get filet mignons this time. They didn't have it as an option. So this is grass-fed beef top sirloin steaks, because this company is grass-fed, grass-finished, and I know for a lot of people that is important. Uh-oh. This one is thawed. Oh no! I might have to cut these ones off and stick them in the fridge. They did come from when they left the place. It was only 3 days. But I think my bacon was my add-on. So yeah, they are kind of thawing a little bit. That's a little upsetting. This is top sirloin cap. And it is, let's see. Just trying to see how big it was, but don't see it on there. Then I've got some ribeyes. As you can tell, me and my fiance love ribeyes. This is ranch steaks. I got some ranch steaks. Some beef, ground beef. 4 of those. This is another one of those ranch steaks. I think there's probably one floating around. Yep, there's another one. See, that one's thawed too. That's a little upsetting. But I think these 2 bacons were my add-ons. They're like $7 a piece. But one thing that I got this time that I don't usually get is they had salmon burgers. And I'm really excited to try these. I've never had them before in any form, so I'm going to try it with Butcherbox for the first time. And this came with, it is 2 pounds of salmon burgers. So, that's quite a bit, guys. But this was the $270 deal plus those 2 bacons, I think. So, plus $14, I'd suppose. But I don't know. What do you guys think? I love Butcherbox. I love getting my beef through them because I know that it's such good quality. And going to my local stores right now is a little intimidating. So I'm going to try to just get it this way. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Talk to you later. Bye.